Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy tablets during Big Billion Days sale. A lot of people have a lot of priorities before buying any tablet. Some people want a better screen for multimedia experience. Some want processor for gaming and video editing. But some want an all-round performer to get everything. We all know that currently the price of each and every tablet is on the higher side, so you have to pay a higher price for any tablet you want to buy. So if you want to buy any tablet, you have to wait till Big Billion Days sale because you will get the best discount of the year in BBD sale. In the Big Billion Days sale, many people actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, but sadly I think you will not get discounts on this tablet. The first reason is that it is a discontinued product, and the second reason is that the stocks of this tablet is very limited. Instead, you can consider Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, but the price will be on the higher side. If you can get Tab S10 FE Plus under 40,000 rupees, you can definitely make the purchase, because this is a tablet where you can get a very good multimedia experience. You will get S Pen in the box and you will have a very good note-taking experience. Plus the large display will give you enough screen to write on. So this is one of the great options that you can get for multimedia consumption, note-taking, and very good battery backup and software update. But if you want to add video editing along with all these features, you can definitely buy iPad 11th generation, but the price of this iPad recently is around 45,000 rupees, which is huge, and it is not recommendable at 45,000 rupees. So if you can get iPad 11th generation at around 40,000 or below, let's say 37, 36 or 38, you can consider buying iPad 11th generation during Big Billion Days sale. But if you don't bother about software updates, in that case you can consider buying OnePlus Pad 2 or Pad 3 or Pad 4. In those tablets you will get very good hardwares, display quality will be very good, and also software experience will be smooth enough, and the battery backup will be very good. So you can consider buying OnePlus Pad 2, Pad 3 or Pad 4 if you don't bother about software updates. So these are the three tablets that you can consider in Big Billion Days sale if your priorities is display, battery backup, software updates, note-taking experience. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you have any questions regarding tablets. Feel free to ask me if you have any questions. I will answer your questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.